Hi everyone, today I would like to show how to train, test, score and evaluate the machine learning models on Azure ML Studio. We have different data sets, so I would like to take one data set and perform my machine learning modeling technique, and then I make predictions, and then I will check how well the model is performing on the test data. So coming to the data set, we will take a binary classification data set. No, it's not a binary classification. It's not. Yes, it's a binary classification dataset. Before that, I will change the experiment name as train, test and evaluate. So we have taken the dataset. If you right click and on make visualization how the dataset is, you will see how the data is. But this data has 32,000 rows and 15 columns, and income is our target label. It has two features, two values. One is less than 50,000, other is greater than 50,000. So we will see how we perform this binary classification task using a machine learning model. So this data set, I have worked on this data set. This data set has some missing values as well. So before going any further, we will do missing value imputation. We will take a clean missing data module and then we connect it. We will select all the columns, because if there are any missing columns in all the rows, we'll just impute with a custom value as 0. Since for this problem I'm not much concerned about accuracy or precision metrics, so I'm just going with a normal imputation, but we can do other imputations like mean, median, mode, or delete the rows or columns. So for now I'm just replacing them with a 0. And after the data is clean, what we do is we split the data into training and testing sets. Just how in sklearn we have a module called train test split, here we have a module called split data, so we'll use that. Yes, this is a module split data, and we can connect it, and we can make sure how we are gonna split, whether we are gonna split by regular expression or relative expression or recommended split. But just we are doing train test split, just like in sklearn. We want 70% of the data in the first set, and is set for 30% in the next. 70% comes from here, 30% comes from here. So we use this first data for training and second for testing. So everything is fine, we don't want to stratify it, so everything is fine. Now what we have to do, we have to train a model. So we search for train. Yes, there is a module called train module. Yes, train model. We are training the model. We connect the data to this train model. So for train model also accepts one more input, which is which kind of algorithm we want to train. What is the algorithm which we want to choose? Since this is a classification problem, I am choosing a 2-class decision tree or a decision jungle, 2-class decision trees. So I have taken the 2-class decision trees, but you can see there is an error because we didn't select what is the target label. We click on launch column selector, and then we select target label, which is income. Income is our target label. We click OK. Now the error is gone. Now we have made all the connections of training the model, but we also need to make the connections for evaluating this model. We have test data coming from here. We need to make predictions on the test data. So in order to make a prediction, the module to make a predictions is called score model. This model is used to make predictions on the test data or train data, whatever data it takes, it will make the predictions. This model will accept two inputs. One is the trained model, the other is the data. So we want to make predictions on the test data. So now the error is gone. So you can see this model will make the predictions on the test data, and now we want to evaluate how well this model is performing. We drag and drop the evaluate model, we just connect it. Yes, now we have made all the connections, and from the beginning, if you see, we have taken a data set, we have done missing value imputation, and we have done train test split. And the training data set, we have performed a decision tree classification. On the test data set, we have predicted it, and then we have evaluated it. Now we will run everything. Yes, the model has run, and all that you can see, all the green ticks. It has taken 40 seconds for me, and yes, the green tick indicates that all the modules has run. So right click on the evaluate and view the evaluation results, how well this model has performed. Since it's a binary classification problem, we see all the metrics related to binary classification task. We see a AUC ROC value, and we also see the confusion matrix here, and we also see the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. So, and you can see the what is the threshold for corresponding all these values. If you change the threshold, these values will change. So yes, it's quite interactive as well, and you can see what is the scored label for each of these data. So that's it. Thank you very much.